Mr. Parveen Bala Kumar is the Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
I'm honored to be here today to officiate the groundbreaking ceremony for the Ledrusasa Squatter Settlement civil construction works, which is another milestone in government's effort to provide affordable and decent housing to all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, today's ceremony is the 5th housing program to be launched by government through my ministry. This demonstrates our concerns, plans, and commitments in ensuring the provision of decent and affordable housing in line with the right to housing and sanitation articulated in our national development framework of building a better Fiji. This groundbreaking today will signify the commencement of the civil construction works that will be undertaken by the contractor Fair Deal Contractors Limited and will cost $2.2 million. Ladies and gentlemen, this subdivision will have 78 residential lots, an open space, and a civic religious lot, and is expected to be completed in August 2016. God willingly, if weather is favorable, then I'm quite sure that the contractor will do much better and can even finish this subdivision before August. At the completion of the project, 78 eligible tenants or 390 people will have access to fully serviced housing lots with 99 years residential leases. The housing project, ladies and gentlemen, will generate multiplier effects in terms of more employment opportunities for our workforce and commercial transaction in the hardware and financial institution during building construction phase. I acknowledge that the contractor Fair Deal Construction will be undertaking the civil construction works for the housing project, and I again urge you people, in particular the residents, to work with us in ensuring that we complete this project in time. This is my humble request. सबसे आग्रह करता है कि आप लोग मिलकर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर और मिनिस्ट्री के साथ मिलकर ये जो सब डिवीज़न है इसको करने और कराने में अपना हाथ बटाएं. Ladies and gentlemen, as you may be aware, we have altogether 116 informal settlements throughout Fiji, and this government is not moving away from its responsibility to ensure that eligible tenants has security of tenure. This is very important. All these years we have our people all around the country staying on squatter without land security. This government has a goal, a vision to work with the landowners and to see how we can subdivide and improve the standard living of our people. And this is exactly what we are doing. On this note, my ministry has been working towards this and is currently carrying out the civil construction works for 3 informal settlements, namely Duvu in Singatoka, Lombati in Central, and Omkar in Nasinu, with a combined total of 435 residential lots. We are also working on engineering plans for Sasavira settlement in Nasori and a subdivision scheme plan for Namara settlement in Lambasa subdivision, with another combined 215 lots targeted for the people in Lambasa as well. This week, just a few days ago, we have signed another 3 contracts to carry out the town-wide informal settlement upgrading program for Central Division. And this is expected to generate a combined total of 1,200 lots within 2 years. the settlement that I'm talking to you people is very similar to what you have here. And now after this subdivision, you will have proper roads, you will have water, you will have electricity, and you will have ownership. Ladies and gentlemen, to support the informal settlement and the provision of fully serviced housing lots and the required finance to assist housing customers in the construction of their residential house, government continues to provide housing assistance grants for the first-time homeowners. Currently, 430 first-time owners have been assisted with total grant sum of $3.34 million. This is still available. After the completion of this subdivision, if you intend to upgrade your house, government will assist you with $10,000. You will have to go to a bank, and if it's going to cost you $30,000, bank will give you $20,000 and government will give you $10,000 grant. That is non-refund. You don't have to refund that to government. Ladies and gentlemen, whilst government is trying its best to assist the housing needs of Fijian, I will emphasize the remarks of the Honorable Prime Minister when opening the new housing units in Langi Langi Housing Project in March this year, where he remarked that there is a need for partnership approach and extended an invitation to the private sector, our development partners and non-government organizations to come forward and help government provide decent and affordable housing for our Fijians. Therefore, I deeply acknowledge and appreciate that this project would not have been possible without the assistance of the landowners from Sonaka village, Winandu. Thank you so much. On behalf of the government, I would like to say thank you so much for coming forward and assisting this development. Naka. I would like you all to join me in putting our hands together and show our appreciation to the respected landowners for allowing us to carry out this subdivision. I also invite other landowning units that wish to utilize their land in this way. Please contact us or any other housing providers so that we can have a partnership and have this sort of development. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to the purpose of this groundbreaking ceremony, I thank all of you who have worked hard on this project to enable us to be here this morning. And on this note, I am happy to be part of this groundbreaking ceremony of the Ledrusasa Squatter Settlement Civil Construction Works. Thank you and Vinaka.
Side.